It's winter and I'm going to prepare Chuno koi roast. So what I have, the Deshi koi, that is really very tasty, the small one, and they are alive actually. So do try this recipe with this mini koi. Welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to prepare a recipe with Deshi koi. So these are the small size, very small size koi maach. This is the fish cleaned and washed properly. So the masala I have, this is Kashmiri red chili powder. As you know already that I am not using any red chili powder because I cannot have the tikha one. And this is salt, this is turmeric powder. What else I have? A pinch of garam masala powder, roasted garam masala powder, handmade. And then I have ginger garlic paste. Apart from that, I have some vinegar or sirka. And I have this onion paste, 2 medium sized onion. There is around 400 gram koi. You can prepare this roast with the big size koi, but I am using this small one, the Deshi. So first I will start the marination. First of all, I'll add this ginger garlic paste, and I have to use my hand for this marination. Ginger garlic paste here, and then turmeric, salt, and Kashmiri Mirch Powder. You can use red chili powder, and 1 and 2 tablespoon of onion paste. Rest I will use in the cooking. And then it's around 2 teaspoon of vinegar. So I will mix it properly and marinate it. I have vinegar, so I won't marinate more than 15 minutes. So I will mix it properly. Now I will start the cooking, and the marination is done. You can see it's coated properly. So I'll heat 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. You can cook this one. So the ghee is there. You can cook it in entire ghee, or like me, you can add some mustard oil as well. It's another 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. And if you want to do this cook this roast in ghee, so you have to add 2 tablespoons of ghee. So now I will heat it for a couple of minutes. So first it has to be melted. So it's hot enough, and now I will add the rest of the onion paste and I will fry it in it. So very carefully I have to add it. So this is the roast. It doesn't mean that you have to direct roast in oven or grill. So this is a different kind of roast. The same way in Bengali family we do the full cauliflower roast in kadhai. So this is something like that. That recipe is different, but this one is different. Now I have to fry it till they are brown, little bit brown, not entire brown but little bit brown. So I have to fry it for a couple of minutes. So you can see it's a little bit brown and the raw smell is gone already. Now I will add the fish carefully. The marinated fish, I'll add this. So one by one I'm adding this fish. And then I will add the masalas, the marination. So it's here. As I added vinegar, you can use lemon juice as well, but I prefer the vinegar. So it will be little bit sour and little bit sweet cause of this onion paste. So now I will mix it properly. Mix it well. And you don't have to cook for a long time because I already added vinegar. So it will cook very quickly. It will be prepared very quickly, and at the same time there won't be any stinky flavor, what we call in Bengali the ashke gondho, the smell. So you won't get that. Now I will cover it and slow cook for at least 10 minutes. So I can smell it, divine smell you can say. It's very yummy. Let me see if it's done or not. Oh, okay, so it's done. Let me show you. So these are done. Now I will switch off the gas and I will sprinkle some garam masala powder, just little bit of garam masala powder, and I'll cover it, standing time for 5 minutes, and I will serve with rice, and you can have it with pulao as well. So this is the recipe I'm sharing, Chuno koi macher roast, and let me know how is the recipe. Do try it. You can try with the bigger size koi as well. So subscribe my channel, YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu for different recipes like this, and you can follow me in Instagram, or you can go through my Facebook page Madhurima's Kitchen, or for food order you can go through the Zomato Madhurima's Kitchen. Till then, bye bye.